Another sunny day up here in sunny Scotland. Today we're at Loch Lomond.
Loch Lomond Shores.
Loch Lomond Shores, yep. And we've got the delights of Sealife Centre today. I think we get in 2 adults for the price of 1 with a
We've got a special coupon, yeah.
Yeah, off of Cadbury's buttons, which I love.
So we're going to use that, a free ticket.
Yeah, so there's lots to do here at Loch Lomond. It's just a shame the weather's not sunny because it's beautiful up here. You can do loch cruises, can't you?
Yeah.
I don't think we'll be doing that, it's a bit chilly today.
There's loads of walks, plenty of shops as well. I've actually got an adventure golf as well, never seen that before.
That's new. Then there's a tree climbing bit right behind this where we're sitting. There's a tree climbing in the trees and
I think
like rope swings and stuff.
I think they do special events, maybe certain times of year they do like bird shows and stuff.
There's a bird of prey centre just up to our right.
And they've got, obviously, there's cafes and I think there's bars as well, you can get something to eat and
And
drink
just wee walks and things. So
I think mainly we're going to go to the aquarium first, and then after that, we'll see how the time is.
see how the weather is.
And we'll maybe explore a bit.
It'd be nice to see the loch a wee bit because Loch Lomond is lovely.
It's been a few years since we've been up here. And at the moment, it doesn't look too busy. The car parks don't look too bad.
No, but wait till you get into Sealife Centre. It's school holidays, so it's going to be busy.
They might be quite busy.
You can also do things like canoeing, gorge walking, river tubbing, river sledging and canyoning at this tree zone bit.
That's if you're quite active. You going to try that?
I'd quite like to.
So I think that boat, is that the Maid of the Loch?
Aye.
Yeah. So obviously at certain times of the year, maybe certain times of the day, I can actually go out on a little cruise and that, around Loch Lomond. I've also got Loch Lomond ducks, no, Disney ducks. That building over there, that's the Sealife Centre, which we're going to go into. And just around here, that's all the shops. That's a list of the prices. We've got buy one ticket, get one free. What's on today? I think they've got quite a large otter enclosure.
There's 3 of them, I think they're called Lily, Pickle, and I can't remember the third one.
We'll try and spot them. This is one of our bigger tanks, obviously.
Straight over the top. I'm not sure what time they get fed, some maybe missed it, I think it was 12.
The small rock pools have got set up. So you can actually touch it if you want to. There you go, Lizzie. See?
No, I'll get touched on my finger, I don't want it.
I'll touch it. Quite hard. Well, let's change things.
Cowfish, longhorn cowfish.
Cowfish?
Like longhorns and cowfish.
2 of our favourite places in Florida. we made it to the cafe. I had to take a bit of a rest, I was flagging a bit. So I went for, I'll show you what I went for. I went for a double espresso. I need some caffeine. This is the cheese and ham, isn't it?
Cheese and ham toasted,
So you
yeah.
get some chips with it, some salad. Leslie went for the same cheese and ham, but she went for a
Hot chocolate.
large hot chocolate. And also we got 2 chocolate
Millionaire shortbread.
shortbread. So as I say, that came to £19.
Not bad, that's okay. Okay.
Plus we get, the bonus is, we get a nice view. That's the view of Loch Lomond. Just like the TTA. So we decided to give the wee train a miss, get some steps in.
Looks as though it might rain though.
Yeah.
Look at the sky over there. We've got rain jackets though, haven't we?
Yeah. So when the sun does come out, it's quite nice. Especially today, it's not, there's a slight breeze, but
Quite cool.
still quite, it's quite warm.
I think it's quite cool.
Just nice. Leslie always feels the cold one.
I do.
There's a bike you can hire there. Don't know how much it is, but look okay actually. You can hire those, cycle round the pass. I've also got little benches here.
Bring your picnic.
Yep, you can bring a picnic, sit here. Just watch the seagulls don't attack you. We're now experiencing what they call also sun shower in Scotland. 1 minute ago the sun was out, now it's raining, so we've got our jackets on. You can see the rain over there. So I need to put the camera away soon. That's our walk done. It's too windy, it's too wet now. I bet you when we get back though.
The sun will come in?
Yeah, back to the shops, the sun will come out. So we decided to stop by the Birds of Prey Centre, right beside, just next door to Loch Lomond.
Part of it,
Yeah.
so.
That was, we got a little voucher, it's 25% off. So for 2 people it was
£12, but if you didn't have the voucher it would be 16.
right. And they were speaking to the young woman on reception there. She's an Disney fan. She's going out next year.
Yep, she's booked. So I'm not a huge bird person, but I do like birds of prey. I think they're amazing to look at. But so we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, we'll take a wander around. Should
Yep.
be interesting. I think we've got a couple of golden eagles here.
Hello. Hello. Yes, lovely.
Your feet. I'm assuming that is a play on Star Wars. Han Solo had a Millennium Falcon.
Maybe.
I remember.
He's rare. His status isn't very secure. He's rare.
I do like a nice bird. Look at that one. It's a big owl. Look at it. That's a great grey owl. Got the size of a face on it. Let's have a good clean there. Quite a confiscated from owner. And it weighs just under 6 kilos. It's only 3 years old though. Quite young.
Big claws. And that beak.
Great, that's quite good.
For
isn't it?
£6 each.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Got a good selection of birds.
And I think they start flying shows and sometimes, not any on today, but I think they do
Do they
them.
feed them as well? Can you watch that?
I don't know, she didn't say that, she just said they did flying but they didn't have any on just now.
If you like birds, definitely come and see them because you can get up really close.
But see if you don't, because I don't like birds, I'm scared of birds. But they are lovely.
Yeah.
Especially the eagles.
I think that's the first time I've really seen the eagles up close.
The eagles amazing.
Not too crowded, it's quite quiet today actually, so
Yeah.
it's good. definitely recommend it. So that's some information there about it. Gives you the opening times, the price, but like I say, we got a voucher of money off, and you get a wristband. That's the wristband there. You can come and go anytime you want. Went for a short stroll along the beach there. Beautiful down there.
So peaceful and calm.
There's nobody else there. We're going to head back though to the car. It's getting 4 o'clock-ish now, I think.
Yeah, we'll beat the traffic.
Yeah. We had a good day. Definitely recommend, if you've got a spare half day, pop up to Loch Lomond shores. Plenty to do. Shopping, food, cafes.
Walks.
You've got the aquarium, you've got walks. You can also meet some birds of prey. Then you can, if you want to be more adventurous, you can do the sort of
Tree climbs.
the zip lines. So loads to do. Definitely recommend it.
And then if you jumped in the car, you could go lots of lovely routes up the loch as well.
Just want to mention that you don't need to pay for parking. Parking's free.
We hope.
We hope. So I think we'll give Loch Lomond Shores a thumbs up. And like I say, hopefully we'll be back at some point in the future. But just for now, I think that's us. We're going to end the vlog here. Like I say, we'll head back to the car, head back home, and just relax.